to get Callie a haircut. We just put up the PetSmart. Callie. We just put up the PetSmart. And this is how she acts when we get somewhere. She be so anxious to go in. But I'm trying to get her to calm down before we go in. Because she will act all crazy. But anyway, we getting ready to go into PetSmart so Callie can get a haircut. This is what she looked like before. Y'all see how she looked? Look. Y'all see? You can't even see her eyes. So, let's get the baby to get a haircut. Get that. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I drop her off because she ain't gonna stop until we go in. You done got all wrapped up in leash. Callie. Callie. Look. Callie. Look. So, I just dropped off Crazy. I think I'm about to go get like a seafood boil because I haven't had one in so long. But I haven't had one in like a while. So there's a place close to where I dropped Callie off. It's like 30 minutes back to my apartment. Yeah, I take Callie like really far up the road because she had the PetSmart here had very great reviews, and so I went based off of the reviews and not what was closest to me. The only thing, so I've been going to PetSmart, like I've been taking Callie to PetSmart since I had her, basically. Of course, this is my second time going to this one since I moved, but she said like whenever you drop off your dog, they always look at your dog just to make sure your dog is not like mad at her or anything. And if your dog is mad at, since she's a Goldendoodle, you know, they're like prone to, you gotta brush them a lot. But Callie do not like for me to brush her. I try. But basically she was like, her ears are a little matted. That's gonna be $10 extra. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I've been going to why did it just zoom in? Y'all, I've been going to PetSmart for a long time. I have never heard them doing that. I've never heard of them upcharging because a part of your dog's body is matted. I could see if her whole entire body was really, really bad, but you said just her ears seemed to be a little matted and you're gonna charge me $10 extra for that. I don't know if maybe that's something they newly started enforcing, but like I said, I've been going to PetSmart since I got her and I've never heard of that. And I could see if like her whole body was badly matted. You literally just said, oh, this ear looks matted, $10 extra. And I was like, because what can you do at this point? I made this appointment for Callie like maybe 3 weeks in advance because it's hard. Like the PetSmarts here, y'all, are always so booked up. Y'all, look how empty the parking lot is. It's like, should I really even go in here? But I want to try out, this place is called Red Crab. So I think I'm gonna sit in here and eat and then go to the car wash because my car is filthy. So let's try it. Thank you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a low country boil. Yeah.
What kind of seasoning you do?
I know I want it hot. If I do Cajun hot, will it be salty or no?
It's kind of salty.
If I do Cajun, what about like?
You can do like juicy special. Juicy special is one with Diaries. You like garlic? You can do like Cajun and garlic.
Think I'll make that hot? Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. So they had some specialty drinks, and this one is caramel apple. These are like seasonal, I guess. I don't know if y'all got the initial me trying this because I ran out of memory, so I had to delete some clips to empty some of my storage out, but this is pretty good. I don't remember what all is in it though, I ain't gonna lie. but it tastes really good. So I just got a low country boil. Has potatoes, sausage, shrimp, and a cluster of crab legs. And it has corn in there too. It's about to be so good, y'all. It's so messy, but so good. Got some sausage. Let me see how this. It's not bad. I'm about to start sweating. Ooh, shoot. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at me. Putting a little work. I went in. That was a lot. I'm full. I just have 2 potatoes left. I didn't eat the potatoes, but I ate everything else. I gotta finish my drink. Look how messy I was. Gotta finish my drink. Then I'm gonna go to the car wash. Then go back home, and then hopefully Callie will be ready and just dropped her off at 1. Callie should be ready by maybe like 3:34. Okay, y'all. Ooh, the sun is in my face. I can't see. The food was really good. I don't know if y'all could hear me because they had music playing the entire time. But the food was really good. He must work here. More people started to come. I forgot to mention that I was like, ooh, the parking lot is empty, that they had just opened. I think they opened at like, they might have opened at 12. They might have just opened at 1 o'clock. So that explains why I was the only person in there at first. They had just opened, I think. So, So I am going to go to the car wash, and then I don't know, hopefully Callie will be ready by then. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. I really enjoyed that. That is my first solo, well actually that's my second solo, like taking myself out to eat. I went to a Mexican restaurant around the corner from my house when I first moved here, and I like sat at the bar or whatever. So I've been saying that I want to do more like solo things or whatever, because since I moved, like I'm really grateful, because prior to me moving I felt like I didn't have a lot of people to do things with. I would go months, y'all, without interacting with anybody except like family. Now I've met a few people here, so like on the weekends or even weekdays we meet up sometimes, go out to eat, have fun. But like sometimes I just want to recharge. Like Friday I went to a coworker's house. She was throwing a party, so I went to her house or whatever, and then we ended up going out. Oh, my glasses need to be clean. Don't you start. Y'all shouldn't not have brought this girl through the car wash. Car wash is jumping. My plan was to go before I got her, but literally where she gets groomed is like 30 minutes from where I live. Once I got to like I was gonna go to a car wash close to like where I live, and once I got like off the exit I had to use the bathroom, so I was like, might as well go home. And then by the time I sat down, they called me and said she was ready. Yeah, it's going. Good. Callie, stop. Back up. What's
I do for you.
deluxe wash?
Yes.
Hey,
How old?
1.
One.
That's why she's full of energy. She just got a haircut.
It's a cute dog.
Thank you. Come here.
I know one going on that tree though from where I'm from. Yeah. It's like it's free.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Y'all, the one guy came over there to check. He came over there to check on his partner because Callie was just barking and acting a dang fool. She about to be, I think she about to be scared. I kind of feel like, I'm not sure if this is her first time or if I took her. This might be Callie's first time. Y'all, she's scared. It ain't funny, but this might be her first time. Y'all, I kid you not, Callie just seen the man, like they spray in the car before we go through the car wash, and she seen the man coming with the thing and ducked so quick. Y'all about to see Callie reaction through the car wash. Y'all. Under the seat. Callie. You scared, baby? Oh yeah, this her haircut, y'all. I don't know if y'all seen it. She's trying to get up here with me. You wanna get up here, mommy? Here, get up here. Come on. Come on, get up here. There she went, y'all. She Callie up under the seat. Me, mommy. Come on. Come up here, mommy. Callie. I need to feel something. She already drank some water. Hold on, get down. She already drank some water. That's why her mouth is wet. Here, come here, Callie. Come back. Come back, sweetie. Come back. Look, sit. Sit. Show me your haircut. Show him you're a pretty girl. Say, I'm a pretty girl. Show him, Callie. Look. I'm a pretty girl. Say, I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. I love her haircut, y'all. Ooh, Callie, you feel so soft. But yeah. I have a mini stepper coming, y'all. And I'm so excited because since I've moved, I have not been able to make it to the gym like how I used to. I used to go to the gym every morning when I worked from home and all that. And now I'm just not waking up early in enough time. When I lived in Alabama, I was in Central Time Zone and I moved to Eastern Time Zone. And it's just like, I don't know, I'm just not waking up early enough to go to the gym now. So I purchased a mini stepper. And I also want to get a like the treadmill thing, the walker. Is it called a walker? It's like a treadmill, but it's just like the walking pad. That's what it's called. I also want to get a walking pad, and I think I'm just going to set up like a mini gym in my second bedroom. And eventually I'm just going to cancel my gym membership and start working out at home. Therefore too, like, so I'm usually like a morning gym person, but I haven't been waking up early enough to go. And then now since I moved and I work, and I go to work each day, Callie spends most of her time by herself during the day. So I feel bad when I get home after work. I don't want to just get home, walk Callie, and go right out to the gym. So I kind of sit and get some stuff done around the house, rest for a little bit, and then I end up not going to the gym when I get off. So therefore I could work out at home and it'll just benefit me and Callie, and she ain't gotta be by herself for me to go to the gym. So, but anyway, that is supposed to come today. It's saying it should be delivered by 10. It is 5:06. So I'm gonna come back with y'all once my Amazon package has been delivered. Y'all, so my package just came from Amazon. I've been waiting on this. I wanted to open it with y'all. I did go ahead and cut the box open just so that my air just won't be showing. But let me see if I can. It's low-key heavy, I ain't gonna lie. So I did get this mini stepper, and then I got my soap that I've been using. Y'all know I've been using this soap for a minute. I talked about it in like my skincare routine and the last skincare routine I got, but I needed some more of this, so I went ahead and got this. And then what I'm excited about, I might start on this tonight. See, I need some scissors. Y'all, I am struggling. This thing it's heavier than I thought. Y'all already know what color I had to get. I cannot wait to use this. Y'all, I am happy that this thing came already put together because there's a whole book here. And it literally has a little diagram of how to put it together. So I am so thankful. Okay, looks like you're supposed to lift one pedal up and screw this in place in the front. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. That's what I'm getting from it. That's it, it's all. So I think I tightened it too. I think I'm supposed to loosen that up for like restraint, because now the resistance is too much. So I think I need to loosen this up, because I think that affects, let's see. This thing is, girl, this is supposed to be the gist of it, y'all, when you're working out. It's their legs be hurting so bad, they say. Okay, yeah. Okay then. Here's what it looks like on the side. I thought it came with like some arm things, or like maybe this one didn't, but I don't think I would use it anyway. But this is called, y'all, it is a total body pink stepper machine. Isn't she cute? So yeah, I'm excited about this. I am about to go ahead and close off the vlog. I just wanted to do a little vlog this weekend. I know I have not been, like, this year I kind of have fallen off from YouTube. Like, I really fell off this year, but I'm really gonna get back. It's just the whole moving, getting used to everything. But I promise y'all, I'm gonna get back right into it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm going to link that stepper in the description box below, and then the soap that I use. Basically, that soap is like a skin brightener. It's supposed to get rid of hyperpigmentation and all that. So if you are interested in that soap, I'm gonna put that in the description box below as well, y'all. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed my little Sunday vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Callie. Say bye-bye. Callie said bye.